Teehon Electronics, founded in 2008. It has been dedicated to researching, developing, and manufacturing automotive LED light for more than 15 years. Certified with ISO 9001-2015, our factory covers an area of 3,200 square meters, consists of 3 workshops: LED encapsulating workshop, PCB assembly workshop, and LED light assembly workshop, totally 7 production lines at the factory. It's also equipped with over 40 advanced production facilities and testing devices, such as automatic die bonders, wire bonders, Japanese-made automatic high-speed SMT machines, 16 zones reflow soldering machine, and optical integrating sphere. Teehon Electronics R&D team is composed of professional engineers with 10 years of industry experience. We constantly improve our R&D capabilities, design and produce high-standard products according to the demand of worldwide customers. With powerful developing capability, we not only manufacture automotive LED work lights, light bars, OEM, ODM circuit boards are also available. Compliance with EMARC, CE, FCC, IP67, RoHS, REACH, WEEE, and other regulations. Exported to more than 40 countries, each product is 100% waterproof test before packaging and shipment, vibration test, aging test, and other 9 tests. The testing process ensures that the products leave the factory intact and has won a high reputation in the field of automotive lighting.